Meaning of deferral.
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 Deferral. Deferral refers to the act of delaying or postponing an action or decision until a later time. It is often used in finance to describe the delay of payment of debts, interest, or taxes. Deferral can offer temporary relief for individuals or businesses that are experiencing financial difficulties, but it can also result in additional costs and fees in the long run. In some cases, deferral may be a strategic decision made by companies to improve their cash flow or take advantage of tax benefits.